Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to convert a table to a chart in MS Word. It's very simple and easy, just watch the video till the end. So, we got a table here about population of specific countries, and I want it to be in a chart form. So to do that, we need to select the table first. Then, click the Insert button. Then browse to this upper part. Then, click this object. Then you need to choose from the options, and just choose the Microsoft Graph chart. Then, click it. Then click the OK button. So it will automatically create a new page with a chart form. You can adjust the size by dragging its dimensions. And you can also change the fonts of its other element by just double clicking it. You can also modify other elements like changing the color of the bar graph. Just click on a specific bar and click the paint section. And that's pretty much it. It's very quick and simple. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and leave a sub. Thank you.